Academic, Maths, Nursery 4 Plus, page 20. Dear children, today we will read about number 8. Say aloud and trace with fingertips. Starting from the left side around, follow the given pattern. Now say aloud 8, 8, 8. What do you see on this page? Yes, you are right. 8 birds. That's good. STEAM activity. Find 8 objects in the classroom. What did you find? Draw in your notebook. You may look around your classroom to count objects up to 8. For example, you may count 8 chairs, 8 school bags, 8 desks, etc. Make sure that you count the similar objects up to 8. Then draw the objects you have found in your classroom. Let's see what you have actually found in your classroom. Think and tell. How many legs does a spider have? Let me tell you an interesting fact. The spider is an insect. Almost all insects have 8 legs. Hence, the spider has 8 legs too. So the correct answer will be 8 legs. Dear teachers, make the children learn tracing, speaking, and writing the numeral 8. Tell them about the objects that are naturally found as 8 entities, 8 legs of a spider, etc. Help them with STEAM activity. Use sand tray to trace the numeral 8 and practice accordingly. Have a nice day.